Two-step looked like this. We went slow, quick, quick, slow. Inside turn, quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Outside turn, open up, roll her in. Nice dip, slow, quick, quick, slow. And man, that was bad. All right, from here, from this open up of the dip, one more time. She's only going to do one turn. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. That's the timing. So from here, check this out. We'll break it down. We start off on count slow, and we're going to start slow, rocking quick, quick, slow, with a quick, quick, prepping the inside turn. Slow. From here, the right hand's going to go quick to her back, quick. The right hand goes to her back. My left elbow comes in. I send her by, slow. We then go quick, quick. Very important that you leave that left hand up. Slow, prep the outside turn. Quick, quick. Right hand to left, we open up. Quick, quick, slow. She turns quick, quick. I bring her into close. So she knows not to step that slow. I just settle into slow, nice and easy. Hold for a quick, quick side step, slow. Quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. Cool, we'll do that again.
Different angle.
Different angle. From here, we're going to go slow, quick, quick, slow. Prep the inside turn. Quick, quick, pass. Quick, quick, outside turn. Quick, quick, right to left. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. And quick, quick, slow. Cool? You can, by the way, since this is a swing contest, and a lot of times in the swing community they dance nightclub quick, quick, slow instead of slow, quick, quick. The pattern works exactly the same. So you would just start from your quicks and you would go quick, quick, slow, 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 and quick, quick, slow. So you could do the pattern with more of the swing feel and less of the country nightclub feel if you wanted to. Remember, the big reason why we start quick or why we start slow is the bass to rhythm. There's the bass comes in, and then the rhythm section comes in. And in country western ballads, the rhythm section comes in a little bit slower. That's why when we hear the bass, it's slow, then the rhythm section, slow, then the rhythm section. And in pop ballads, the rhythm section comes in much faster to the bass. That's why it's bass, rhythm, slow. Bass, rhythm, slow. So that's the big difference between the two. It's a country song, slow, quick, quick generally feels better. If it's a pop ballad, quick, quick, slow generally feels better.
Did a nightclub two-step class, and we started off with a basic. So we did slow, quick, quick, slow, into a cross-body lead, quick, quick, slow. Oh, gentlemen, remember that. It was your turn to be active. So you did a spiral turn underneath. Then we both walk forward on the diagonal. Quick, quick, slow. I turn the lady under. Quick, quick, slow. Then we rock stepped into this really nifty partner piece where we did quick, quick, slow, and she steps right in between his legs. Yeehaw, happy man. And then quick, quick, slow to finish out of it. So let's do that one more time all together. So it goes slow, quick, quick, 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 slow. And that was it. There you go.
Started with basic. We went quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and second pattern, same. And after this, we do the ladies walk around, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. We did 2 of those, and then we went into the man's walk around, collecting the foot again, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. We did both go under or a little barrel roll, quick, quick, slow, to side by sides. I'll be the lady, okay? No, I'm supposed to be on top, I'm the lady. Quick, quick, slow. And then we collected her back to basic, and we traveled. And that looks like this. Quick, quick, slow, side cross step, and a quick, quick, slow, and a quick, quick, slow. Opening it up, closing, and side cross step. Looks something like that. I'll break it down for you. A little more difficult when you get into the traveling, unless you have your body shaped and framed to carry you through contra-body movement, basically, like when you start here. We started with a quick, quick. You can start with a slow, slow. That would be slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. But because most of us did it quick, quick, slow, we taught it that way. It went quick, quick, slow. On the second beat of the slow, which is the fourth beat, we kind of collect that foot with a sliding motion, not a heavy slide, but a collection of the foot, and then separate a little bit here, quick, quick, slow. Contra body here, getting your foot positions, and it's a rise and fall fill, not an up and down, bouncy. It's just a nice kind of cradling, cuddling, sexy little feel. It's done to slow songs like Cross My Heart. I like this. Okay, then the ladies walk around is quick, quick, slow. The man lifts the hand. The lead, however, is from his right hand. Walk around for the lady, quick, quick, slow. Collect the lady back in basic, and then nudge apart again, quick, quick, slow. The man now steps quick, quick, slow, and the lady would have done basic footwork. Let's do one more. Quick, quick, slow. Man's walk around. Quick, quick, slow. Ladies, I maintain my footwork when he does the walk around, he maintains his. When I do the walk around, the basic footwork, and when you do the walk around, then you do your little pivots out and back. From there, the barrel roll is a piece of cake. If you place the hands in the middle and lead it properly here, guiding the lady through with your right hand, just ever so gently in front of your shoulder follows as a body lead through. You can make a nice line. Give me a nice line here. Cool. Bring it back through, and then we collect side by side. And it goes on from there. We kind of played with it. We
closed. And we're going to do our basic where we step side, we replace, we cross, and then we step side again. Then what we're going to do, we're going to replace, we're going to switch places with the cross and step slow. We're going to do the traveling basic without a turn here. Quick, cross, step, side. Then we're going to trade places again, quick, cross, trade places, and this is where we turn the lady. Quick, quick, step, side. Then what we did is we did a basic to set the lady up for the four corners, side, quick, quick, and slightly open her up here. Like go ahead and shoot for our corners. Quick, quick, guys flip. Quick, quick, ladies flip. Quick, quick, guys turn. Quick, quick, ladies turn. All of that was the same. This last piece is also the same where we go quick, quick, guys flip, and the guys start aiming toward the corner. Ladies, slight diagonal with a turn. We'll trace this slow and end it one more time with a turning basic. Cool? All right? So we'll do that one more time without stopping. So we go, and we'll hope we don't mess it up. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow. Quick the turn. Quick, quick, slow to the corners. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. One more flip. Then the ladies will spin. Then we try places. And then we end up with a turn into a basic. Cool? Again, thanks.
So we're going to go ahead and start slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. This is a basic version. Slow, quick, quick, wow, quick, quick, slow, slow. For the guy, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slow for the guy, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. We hope you had a great time.
Step out to the side with a slow, slow, a rock, step, slow, another rock, step, slow. Our first basic turn that we did was a ladies under, as we did a slow, slow, rock, step. You lead her over the foot, she pivots through, she step, pivot, pivot, side as she comes back to me here. So we'll do our next piece, we just opened up, rock, step, slow, rock, step, slow. So the whole piece should look like this. We're doing a basic, we lead the lady over, quick, quick, slow. We open, rock, step, slow, rock, step, slow. Our next piece we did a crossbody lead. As we led the lady across the slot, we start with a slow, rock, step, slow, rock, step, slow. Notice we close up, I step in between her legs, and we're both going to walk forward here. Quick, quick, slow as we cross in front. Our next piece was a crossbody lead with a turn as we rock, step, slow. As I step in between her legs, I'm going to halo her head here as she turns inside. Quick, quick. She steps slow to the side to finish out with me here. That was all their basics that we covered, and then we did a small pattern, crossbody lead with a turn, as we did a rock, step, slow, crossbody lead with a turn. We did a rock step, we did a push through, quick, quick, slow. Our next piece, we were right hand to right hand, as we did a rock, step, slow, rock, step, slow, rock, step, slow, as we did these crosses. As we came back to right hand, we blocked, she turned under, and we finished out and closed again in our basics. That